Tyco number 959 operating tractor loader. Set includes operating tractor loader and coal load. The coal car was sold separately for this accessory here. It was first introduced in 1982. This came with the Tyco King Coal train set number 7419. Sometime in the mid 80s it was offered with a bonus manual switch which carries stock number 959B. The Keystone coal dump car shown was not included with this accessory. The optional Keystone coal car which dumps. However, there's no dumping bin with this accessory. You'd have to use the coal dump or the gravel dump to dump the car out once you load it. Here's the assembled coal loader. You snap the tractor on the pin here, snap the loading bin in, load the coal, which is some kind of jewelry beads with holes in it, and then you snap the back piece in, which dumps it into the coal car when you sling it around. You hold the accessory right here because if you don't, it'll go flying across the floor. Again, here's the coal. It's some kind of bead jewelry, it looks like to me. Not really coal. But I didn't pour it all in the bin here. I put enough in there just to do a demonstration with. To operate, you hold it right here as you see in the video, and then you run the lever which controls the loader. It does help to put oil on the track here and on the gear underneath. I'll show that in just a minute. So with your tractor against this rail, we'll start the load, which is all manual. And he's back up, and then sling it in the car. And they will go bouncing out of the car sometimes. And now for a side view of the operation. This is the underside of it, and as you can see, as you pull it, it slides. The whole mechanism. And that's the operation for this manual accessory. Works as you see.